What's up YouTube? GA Scratcher here and welcome to Sunday Night Fever, Dirty Birds versus the Texans. This is going to be a weekly competition between Miss Scratch Queen and myself where we will put up two $5 tickets. For Georgia it will be the Atlanta Falcons ticket, for Texas it'd be the Houston Texans, and we are going to see who wins in terms of the most dollars won back. So if you guys are not subscribed to Miss Scratch Queen, I will have her linked in the description below. Go check her out and see how she does, and we wish her luck. So today we have tickets 27 and 28, and let's get started. Let's see what we can do. Those Houston people in Houston have been really just it's been sad seeing everything on the news with them, and I'm glad that Monica's great and Miss Scratch Queen is doing well and Scratch Daddy, so y'all make sure to go check her out and give her some love. So this is how you play this ticket. This is a matching number ticket. Get a touchdown, get 10 times, and Atlanta win all 20 prizes. And hopefully our dirty birds bring home the win this weekend. Alright, we're looking for 31, 25, 38, 15, 4, 11, 32, and 13. We have a 24, a 12, 36, 22, a 20, 35, 33, 26, a lot of one-offs, 14, 9, 27, 34, 30, 29. We don't have a 2, 40 or 16, 28, 3, and 10. Looks like 27 is a bust. Let's check out ticket number 28. Let's do a symbol search. 2, 28, 35, 11. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. No symbols. The very first day this came out, I found all the symbols within 5 tickets. Haven't found anything since. Alright, 22. Nothing. 37. Nope. 39. Got a 29 and a 38. 14. Nope. 1. We got a winner. $8. That's all it's gonna be, I bet. 4. 3. And 33. Alright. Well, we came out with $8 this week. Hopefully that's enough to beat the Houston Texans, I believe is the name. And we'll go from there. Alright. Tune in next week for Sunday Night Fever against Dirty Birds versus the Texans. And go check out Miss Scratch Queen. Show her some love. And we will talk to you later. Remember, don't play expecting to win. Play hoping to win. We'll talk to you later.